what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling.
Okay, so I just did school drop-off. We finished breakfast and got dressed, and then I took him to school. I just got back. I now have about 2 hours exactly to get as much done as I can in the house. Now I am currently working on the organized mom method of the messy house boot camp, and today is Thursday, which means I'm in here in the kitchen.
We could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey, darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air.
All right, so my intention today was to do the kitchen for as much as I could get done. I did have a feeling that no matter what, it was going to be at least a 2, possibly a 3-day commitment. But I ended up having more work than I anticipated while my son was at school. And then after school, we had lunch, and I spent some time with him, which was way more important. Now, he is going to go do some leaf raking with my husband, and it would be a perfect time to just tackle this room because I will have the house to myself aside from me and the animals. But in 30 minutes, I have to leave for a board meeting for an organization I am a part of. Distraction. Okay. I lost track of everything I was saying to you. So, got the table all cleaned. The water actually, so I just used Dawn dish soap and warm water to clean it all. It all looks really nice, like, you know, like splatters of milk, things like that have splashed on them. All cleaned up. Chairs, all good. I was hoping to just finish something, but then I just decided to do some tidying. This is a room I work on decluttering a lot. A lot of things get moved around. We're in it every single day. And I have a size-wise kitchen. It's very big. Cabinet-wise and counter space-wise, it is not. So it can be really frustrating. Like the pantry is just a nightmare. I did get some great things that have made it more manageable. So like the pantry Since I did the video where I put in my LifeWit storage containers and the video where I did the rollout shelves, that thing was a nightmare. Those two tools have really made that space so much more manageable. So I'm really happy about that. But we didn't do any decluttering, which I thought for sure we would have. Okay, so what I was saying after all those interruptions, I thought I'd get a lot more done than I did. Today is definitely not the day I'm going to finish, let alone really start the kitchen. But what we are going to do is we are going to empty the crumbs out of the toaster. We're gonna clean out the cutlery drawer. We're gonna clean out the fridge. We're gonna dust the blinds, clean the windows, clean the microwave, clean down tiles, clean oven and hob. I believe hob is the stovetop. Clean all worktops, clean cupboard fronts, clean kickboards, vacuum and mop. So I have a lot to do. I'm going to work on it tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. We're gonna see what I can get done. Tomorrow is supposed to be bathrooms, but I feel like this kitchen's gonna take up more time than I'm not gonna be able to do the bathrooms, I don't believe, tomorrow. Unless I give up on the kitchen, which I might do, we'll see. All right, well, the boys are still gone. I just got back from my meeting. I've got energy I didn't anticipate having. So, I'm gonna do some cleaning until they get home. So we're just gonna work on this list. I think I'm just gonna start really simple. Clean out empty crumbs out of toaster and clean out the cutlery drawer. So I think what I'm going to do is just work on these 3 drawers. Just go drawer by drawer, I guess. So I recently, because I hate clutter on my kitchen counters, I hate it. One of the things I don't like about appliances is you've got these cords rolling all around. So I purchased a 4-pack of these little cord wraps. So they come, the ones I set that I purchased, I'll link below, but it came with 2 white, 2 black, and they had different amounts that you could purchase. But as I'm doing this corner, something that has always driven me crazy is this cord that goes to this radio, which is built in, and it actually comes in handy. Oh, it's a little greasy, so it needs a little bath. But I'm going to figure out how to have this all wrapped up with one of these cords, and it just will stick right to it. So I'm gonna get it cleaned up, and then we're going to get rid of this ugly cord that is hanging down. And I wanna show you one other one that I've used it on. I've actually already got it on my blender, which when you look at it sitting on the counter, like, it just looks, you can't even tell the cord is there. I love it. So let's get this cord wrapped up. I'm gonna start by getting it clean.
it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight.
All right, so today is Saturday, about 1:30 in the afternoon. Yesterday, I had big dreams that I would get this kitchen completely finished, and instead I did nothing in the kitchen. I kind of took a day, a sabbatical, some might say. So today I am refocusing, getting on the kitchen. That means I didn't get the bathrooms done yesterday either. So I have a lot to do, and normally I would plan on Sunday being my day off, and it still might be, but today's Saturday. I really want to get this kitchen completed. So I am behind. I'm probably about 2 days behind on dishes since I didn't do anything yesterday. And I worked in the kitchen Thursday evening, and that's just where it's been. In fact, even yesterday when I say I took a little sabbatical for the day, my husband I cooked breakfast and he took care of lunch and dinner for us. So it was just a really nice day. I just hung around. It was the first day me and my son both didn't have anything like scheduled. So we really vegged out and took advantage of it. And I'm really happy we did. And then I debated. So you guys, I actually debated this morning when we were getting ready to go to skate lessons for my son. Like, oh, maybe I should just have my husband go and I'll stay back and clean. And I was like, wait a second, why would I stay home and clean and miss out on skate lessons? Does he love skating? No. Does he actually stand up on his skates yet? No. But what if he did and I missed it? So I'm really glad that I went. We came home and we watched a movie as a family. It's just kind of a really low-key weekend, which we have not had in a really long time. All three of us don't have anything scheduled aside from skate lessons, which we're done with. And that's where we're at. So I am just going to catch up on tidying up the kitchen, and then we're gonna do some deep cleaning in here. We're gonna continue. We stopped at the stove, cleaning out the inside. I'm gonna give it another once over, and we're gonna pull out something I have been dying to do for a very long time, is pull out both the fridge and the stove. And I'm afraid, one, I'll scratch the floor. Two, I'm really afraid I'm gonna like pull some kind of gas pipe from the wall when I move the stove, and it's gonna like explode. Irrational fears, likely. But I can't help them. That's just how my brain works. So I know for a fact, because I can see it, is in between the cabinets and the stove. They are gross. And I'm very excited to get them cleaned. So my husband said he would help me get everything moved, so I can do that. I think he might be as excited as I am to get that cleaned out. But again, I've never tried to do it because I'm terrified. Anyway, back to cleaning.
So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends, this being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. I can't believe you love me.
was some crumbs on the side that I couldn't reach. That was worse than I could have imagined. Gross. If you guys haven't pulled out your fridge or your stove in a hot minute, go do it. Go clean it out. Totally worth it. Like, if I'm going to say anything about the Organized Mom method, it's that I got that done. And I'm super thankful. Because gross. It was gross. It was so gross. Look at the water. I'm about to dump it.
You've got secrets, but I can't keep on. And we're fading in and out together. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. When I'm with you, I am not myself. You bring out the best in me, the side only you can see. And I don't need any other help than you standing by my side, if only for a while. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep on. And we're fading in and out together. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment. The fuse wide open, stuck in the moment.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
you.